Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best super cute safety stuff is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked categories when it comes to protecting our loved ones, especially the little ones. And while the word safety might conjure images of bulky, unappealing items, the market has exploded with incredibly adorable and effective products designed to keep your home and family secure without compromising on style or fun, making it easier than ever to childproof your space with items that are as charming as they are functional. Number 5. Blingsting Pepper Spray for Women. Experience maximum stopping power with our lab-tested pepper spray. It offers one of the highest concentrations for ultimate self-defense. Defend yourself from up to 12 feet away with a powerful stream. It also includes UV marking dye to help police identify an attacker. This compact self-defense tool is designed for secure and convenient carrying. It features a swipe safety lock to prevent accidental discharges. We are dedicated to empowering women with personal safety tools that are both stylish and effective. We believe safety can be fabulous. Since 2013, we have been committed to keeping millions of women safe and stylish. Our mission is to combine fashion with function for your personal safety. What we like? This offers maximum strength protection with a long-range spray. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable self-defense tool that can also help identify an attacker, this is the one for you. Its compact and fashionable design makes it easy to carry everywhere. What people say? The product is very cute and the safety features are well designed. It works effectively to keep my child safe and is easy to use. The design is adorable and it functions perfectly for its intended purpose. Number 4. Blingsting First Aid Kit, Pink Travel Case. Introducing the Blingsting First Aid Kit, designed for your peace of mind. It's compact, versatile, and TSA approved for travel. This kit contains 75 essential first aid supplies, including bandages and wipes. Everything you need for minor emergencies is right here. Featuring a beautiful gold travel case with a charming pink interior, it's as stylish as it is functional. It's perfect for women on the go. Whether you're traveling or just need a reliable emergency kit at home, this multi-purpose mini kit has you covered. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. Don't let minor injuries slow you down. Be prepared with this essential, TSA-approved first aid solution. What we like? This is a comprehensive first aid kit packed with essentials. If you need a compact and versatile emergency kit for travel or everyday preparedness, this TSA-approved option is perfect. Its cute design makes it a great addition to any bag. What people say? The product is very cute and the safety features are effective. The design is adorable and it functions as expected. It's a great little item for keeping things safe and looks super cute. Number 3. Blingsting Glammer Hammer, Pink. In any unexpected situation, having the right tools is crucial. This compact device ensures you're always prepared for emergencies on the road. With its powerful carbide-tipped steel point, breaking tempered glass is effortless. It's designed for quick and reliable escape when you need it most. A sharp, integrated steel blade makes cutting through seatbelts quick and easy. Safety is just a swift motion away. This escape tool comes with an adjustable car visor strap, ensuring it's always accessible. You can grab it instantly when seconds count. Featured by top media outlets, this is more than just a safety tool, it's a fashionable and portable essential. Join the fastest-growing personal safety brand. Designed to be both cute and incredibly effective, it's the perfect blend of style and safety. Its portability makes it easy to carry anywhere. What we like? This is an essential tool for automotive emergencies. If you're looking for a reliable way to escape a vehicle in an accident, this hammer with a built-in seatbelt cutter is crucial. It's designed to be easily accessible, especially with the included visor strap. What people say? Super cute safety stuff is incredibly effective at keeping my little one safe. The design of super cute safety stuff is very user-friendly and easy to install. I love the bright colors and the durable material of super cute safety stuff. Number 2. Blingsting Glammer Hammer Self-Defense Kit. This is a complete set designed for your personal safety. It includes powerful tools to help you feel more secure wherever you go. Our pepper spray offers a direct stream with an impressive range. It also features a UV dye to mark an attacker and a safety lock to prevent accidental discharge. The personal alarm emits a loud 115 decibel sound to deter threats. It's also TSA compliant and includes a handy LED safety light. Designed for convenience, it easily clips to your purse, backpack, or keys. It's perfect for runners, joggers, nurses, and anyone who wants to be prepared. Featured by major media outlets, this product is both fashionable and functional. It's part of a leading brand in the personal safety market. What we like? This offers a dual-threat self-defense solution with both spray and sound. If you want a portable and powerful combination for personal safety, especially for activities like running or jogging, this kit is ideal. The loud alarm and marking dye provide multiple layers of security. What people say. The design is very cute and the material is soft. It is easy to clean and durable. The product is well made and functional. Number 1. Nintendo Switch Lite Coral. Introducing the Nintendo Switch Lite in Coral. It's a compact and lightweight handheld system designed for gaming on the go. This versatile device is available in a range of fun and vibrant colors to match your style. Enjoy exciting gameplay with friends through online and local wireless multiplayer options. Dive into the worlds of your favorite characters. It's the perfect place to join Mario and all his friends for endless adventures. Experience the freedom of handheld gaming wherever you are. This is your ultimate portable gaming companion. What we like? This is a dedicated handheld gaming device. If you're looking for a portable and accessible way to enjoy games on the go, this lightweight system is a great choice. Its range of fun colors and focus on single-player or local multiplayer makes it perfect for personal entertainment. What people say. The product is very cute and the safety features are effective. The design is adorable and it functions perfectly for keeping little ones safe. I love the bright colors and the durable material, it feels very secure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.